Hello, I am Ankita. I live in Paitupaka. A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog, E for elephant, F for fish, G for grapes, H for hen, I for ice cream, J for jacket, K for kite, L for lion, M for monkey, N for nose, O for orange, P for pen, Q for queen, R for rabbit, S for snake, T for tomato, U for umbrella, V for van, W for watch, X for X-ray, Y for yo-yo-yo, Z for zebra.